Welcome guys. We are going to try a brand new soap for the first time. My family has an elderberry farm and a hemp farm here in southern Indiana. I have some fresh elderberry juice and I am going to attempt to make an elderberry soap. So this is the fresh elderberry juice. I've mixed it with my lye water and we are going to combine this. I'm curious to see what the color is going to look like. I'm going to get this mixed up. 2 seconds. Also want to see how it behaves. It's actually a really pretty reddish, purplish tint. Wasn't sure if I was going to add something to this to kind of enhance it, but I really kind of want to keep it a very simple bar, focusing on the elderberry. I don't see anything crazy happening so far. So far, so good. It's going to have a kind of a brownish tint to it, it looks like. All right. Then I've got my fragrance oil here. This is a combination of essential oils and a fragrance. It smells like wild elderberry. Let's try this and we'll see how it behaves. I've never used this before in soap, so I would typically not blend it until I know how this essential oil is going to behave, or these essential oils will behave. It smells wonderful. Doing good so far. We're not accelerating too bad. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick stir with a blender and then we are going to pop it in the mold. All right, we've reached a light trace. That's good enough for me. Here is our mold. Throw a little alcohol in there. And here we go. It behaved pretty well. No real issues. The next time I make this soap, I'm probably going to try to get some dried elderberry and put it on top. I think that'll enhance it even more. It's going to be a very simple bar, really just trying to concentrate on the elderberry being in it and not try to take away from that with any kind of crazy swirls or mica or anything like that. All right, perfect. May need a couple minutes to set up. Looks like it's a little wobbly still, so let's give this a minute and we'll come back and we'll do the top.